What are you eating? Huh? What are you eating?
She's by the bottom, no?
Yeah, he did. I was gonna eat that part.
No, Chris.
The crunchy part's mine. You're supposed to get rid of the ice cream so I can eat the candy. No, that's mine. Christopher. I like the cone. You're supposed to eat the ice cream. That's mine. Christopher ate my fish. Now he's eating my ice cream. I got nothing for dinner.
No.
Christopher, look at the camera and say, Granny, this is your fault. Christopher. Look at Granny, say, mmm. Say, mmm. I'm eating your ice cream cone.